Good day traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are doing video about how to trade key psychological levels. So today we'll be explaining more about how to trade psychological levels, how to plot your horizontal line, how to plot your rectangle box to get your zones. So let's dive in. So here I have USD As you guys already know, you take your horizontal line, change it to black color there, then go to coordinates. So when we are in coordinates, make sure that you round off. So mine now, okay, they are already rounded off to 650. Okay, so now I'm going to look for another psychological levels. So I'm going to look for where market has made some few touches. So I'm going to take this, go to coordinates, then make sure that it's correct. 400. Okay, so after having this, I'm going to take my Fibonacci. I'm going to take my Fibonacci tool and plot it there to get my middle psychological level, which will be acting as my middle zone. Double click, make sure the coordinates are okay to 650 here. Okay, now I'm going to take my horizontal line and I'm going to plot it where in my Fibonacci tool on 50%. Go to coordinates. Okay, it's 25 there. It's okay. Now delete my Fibonacci tool, change the color. So I will change the color of my middle zone so that doesn't look the same as others, so I don't get confused. Let's go to H1, change the color here, green. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to copy I'm going to copy my psychological levels. Copy, copy, delete the first one there, then make sure the arrows are well placed in their coordinates levels. 75. Now, good. So this one, let's run it to 900. Okay, so I'm going to copy again because I have to have my enough psychological levels. Copy there, paste it there, delete the first one there. Okay, make sure the others are well placed in their coordinates levels. 25 here, 50. Okay, now let's go to the downside. Copy again. Even this one, I'm going to take them, copy, move them downside, and delete the first one. Make sure the coordinates are okay. 75. Okay, okay, it's fine. This one, 50. Okay, so after doing that, you guys must know you're going to take your rectangle box. Now you are going to look for what? You're going to look for your zones. So that now I'm looking for my zones to cover only the weeks. Let me extend this thing because since it's short, it must be extended. Style, extend there. Okay, so take my rectangle box there, make sure it's placed in the middle of my psychological level zone. Copy this one, paste there, copy, paste there, copy, paste there, copy, copy, paste there, copy again, paste there, copy, paste there. So this thing is simple, guys. You just plot your zones, round them coordinates. Then after rounding off, you look for your zones. Then after looking for your zones, you wait for your setups to be respected. So that's how simple this thing is, guys. Don't have to worry about anything, but just waiting for your setups to play. So this is what we have for USDCHF. So let's go to USDJPY. This is USDJPY on H2. Okay, let's go to H1. Okay, take my horizontal line there, go to coordinates 25. Okay, take my horizontal line again, follow it there, double click, coordinates. So where should we go now? Should we go to 50 or should we go to 25? Nothing, 25 will do. Okay, 25 there. So right now I'm going to take my Fibonacci tool. So you take a Fibonacci tool, place it there. Make sure it's well placed between your psychological levels that we have plotted. So 25 here, and again here 25. Plot it on my 50% there. Then double click, change the color. $25, okay. So after having my 3 psychological level zones, I mean psychological levels lines, so I'm going to copy them. So I'm going to copy, move, delete the first one, run this one up to 25. Okay, copy again. So I'm going to copy again. Copy, delete the first one. Make sure the coordinates are well placed there. 25. There, okay. So let's go to the downside now. Copy, delete the first one. 25, okay. 25, okay. So now let's plot what? So now we are going to plot our zone. So remember, guys, when you are plotting your zones, you take your rectangle box and you only cover the weeks. You only cover the weeks. So after covering the week, you take your rectangle box, you make sure that the psychological level line is in the middle of the zone. So take my rectangle box, plot it there, move it nicely, okay, copy, copy again, copy again, copy, Copy again. Copy. Okay. So you guys can even see, look how it clean setups the market respected my psychological level zones there. Look how it retains on those zones. Look how those massive impulse and correction moves occur in there. Okay, move it to the downside. So this is just an example. Imagine if you caught this and you just wait for market to retest on your psychological level zone. So this strategy, it really works, guys. It works. I don't want to lie to you guys. You guys should backtest this strategy and tell me in the comment section how it works. So so I think we are done here. We'll move to another pair. But see, I think I see something here. Imagine if you were catching this massive impulse. Imagine if we caught this massive impulse. And when the market just moves, you have to just move your stop loss. Just move. And after that, TP hit. Because if it's simple, guys, if you know market moves with a impulse and correction movement, so you just have to wait that the market to retest. After retesting, get in, then you take a profit. So we have moved to another pair. This is Euro USD, guys. On H2, let's go to H1. So right now we're on H1. So you guys already know, you take what? Horizontal line. Take horizontal line, go to coordinates, round it off, round this one to 50. Then I'm going to take again my horizontal line. Go to coordinates. Let's go to 30 minutes. Go to coordinates here. Round it to 75, because I think 75 will be good for this one. 75. Okay. After doing that, then I'm going to take my Fibonacci tool, place it there, make sure it's well placed, place it. Okay, double click. 75. Okay, this 150. Okay, then take again my horizontal line, plot it on 50%. This one is confusing me. Let me just leave it as long as it's well placed in my Fibonacci there. So delete the Fibonacci. Change the color. So after having those, guys, after having your total psychological levels, you guys must know this. You copy, either you move them up or down. You copy, then you move them up or down, then make sure they are well placed on their coordinates levels. So delete this one. This coordinate is now starting to confuse me. Copy, copy, and delete the first one. $25 here. Copy this one and copy this one and move them on. Okay, delete the first one. Place my rectangle box there. Okay, make sure, let me move it. Okay, it's correct. Then copy. Copy again. Copy. Copy again. Copy. Copy. Okay, let's go to the upside. No, Josh, I made a mistake there. I wanted to go to the 15 minutes time frame. Cancel. 15 minutes. Okay. Take my shot position there. Just showing you guys how this strategy really works, guys. Just showing you how it really respects those psychological level zones. Copy here since I left those. Copy again. Okay. Place my shot position there. Nice. Each one. Look how massive it respected my psychological levels, guys. So let's jump to what? Let's jump to US30. So we jump straight to US30. Take my horizontal line. Go to coordinates. This one's coordinates. They're different. It shows that I was used to analyzing currency pairs. Now I'm analyzing indices. The coordinates are different. I think we should go to the lower time frame here. Place here. Let's go to the lower time frame. 30 minutes. Place it there. Coordinates. Go to coordinates. Index coordinates, guys. I wanna advise you guys to analyze coordinates using analyze indices using psychological level strategy. It will confuse you guys. Just stick to what currency pairs, guys. Take my Fibonacci tool there. Okay, take my what, and right now I'm going to fix here 75. Okay, this one, let's just move it to A70. Okay, take my horizontal line, place it there. $25. Okay, now this thing, guys, delete, change the color. And I'm going to copy those, copy, copy, copy. Delete this one. Let's move it to 30. Okay, and 30. This one is moved to 80. Nah, I think let's go to 75 for but let's just leave it on 80, guys. In this good needs, guys. Just playing with my mind. Copy, copy, copy. Oh, analyzing index with psychological level strategy, guys. It will just confuse you guys. I don't want to lie to you guys. Plot here, okay. Make sure it's well placed there. The psychological levels in the middle of my zone. Copy paste it here. Okay, copy again. Okay, copy, copy, copy. Nah, guys, I think we should leave this one because this one is confusing me. So this is what I have for this video, guys. I hope you guys will like this video. Share.